Hi, Excel users. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to trim spaces to clean up your worksheet without write any line of functions. To achieve this task, you need to install DOS for Excel Premium Power Tools in your computer. Select your required cells to trim spaces to clean up your worksheet. Next, go to DOS tab and select Text drop-down menu and click Trim Spaces option. To clean leading spaces, select Lead checkbox. To clean trailing spaces, select Trailing checkbox. You want to clean all space within text, select Extra checkbox. If you want to clean included formula, select this box. You clean selection, or current sheet or all sheets by checking this selection box. Now, hit Apply button and that's it. You have successfully cleaned your worksheet without writing any function. You can see all unwanted spaces are removed within a second. Isn't it great? If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to check out product link from the video description.